of Mini Cooper 2009. So C King, but no display. So I already removed everything. So I try to check the internal fuse of this car stereo, but it's fine. So but no power on the system. So I try step by step to check all the fuse on the panel and then circuit board. So first on this panel, so I try to find the board fuse like SMD. So I didn't find fuse on this panel. So this is the main panel circuit board. So this is the terminal connected on here from speakers, connections, and then power supply. So I try to check everything here possible. There's a problem, so like try to find fuse. So actually I found a fuse here. It's a big one. So let's say if 806, and then there's 25 numbers on it. So I try this, but it's working. It's fine. The fuse is not blown. So this is the area I gonna find the fuse. The fuse is so so I try already everything, but I can find nothing on this area. So I try in the back side of the power supply of the circuit board. So where is it? I try to find fuses on this area, so I can find SMD fuse on it. So because this is the area of power supply, and then in here. So I try everything, and then there's a Zener diode, ICs, small one. Oh, there's an F on this side. So I think this is a fuse. So there's a F in here. If you can see this, there's an F. So I will try to check that on my multi-tester, if it's working or not. So that's my continuity. I set on times 10 or times 1. So I use the analog one. I have a digital, but okay, try it. Yeah, this one is not working at all. It's not. There's no continuity. But this is a fuse. Yeah. If you can see this, there's no reading. So I try to find another more if liters on really small, a tiny one. Yeah, this one. It's like if you can see it, that this is the tips of my my multi-tester, and then these things is really tiny. So there's nothing at all. There's no reading. So some of the resistors there's like that, and then there's a 00 also. So it means like a jumper, but sometimes like a fuse. But this one there's a reading. So I will try to jump this, because I can't find anyway same like that parts, because it's MD. So I will try to jump that with the tiny wires. So I make it 3D by soldering iron, and then I will try to put back in the car if it's works or not, or else I will change the whole players. It's only 60 to 100 pounds anyway. So I try myself to fix this so I can save money. So okay, I will try. Now wire ready for me. So this is the wire that I gonna jump on the fuse. So I try to melt it, and then this is the parts, the tiny parts. One stick. Once it'll stick, I think that's fine. I need to, yeah. Maybe it's fine now. I hope so. Yeah. I will try to check if it's working. Okay, switch off my electric. It works. Proper tools on it. Oh, I already cut out. So now try to there's a continuity reading now. You can see, my tester is already working. Other side, reverse polarity. Yeah, ready to go. There is it. So loads of job. These things. This is the one going up there, and then you see that, and then my circuit board. This is my other circuit board. Connect these things. Yeah, already in place. And then when I get the heatsink, this screws. Why is this one? I think. Yeah, 3 screws. Okay, remove everything. Yeah, this is second screw, and then there's a third one here. Maybe this, I think. And it looks the same. The long one. Need to be long one. The other 2 screws in here. Okay. As long. Maybe it's not these things. Yeah, I think. Because well, put all the screw in here. I think this one is in there. There's another one here. Maybe not ready yet. Maybe. I think the short one here. A little bit short. short one. That's right. Maybe. And then after that, okay, yeah. One.
Okay.
Yeah. That's it. Screw in. See, there's a terminal here. You need to straight on the, or else it won't, contact on the. That's it. Oh no. I think that's it. Okay, this will need to. Okay, I think that's fine now. Yeah, so looks. What do you think is fine? Might be. Yeah, it looks like fine now. Okay, in place. The only thing is like the one over screw here is not aligned. This one, or maybe the problem is in there. Yeah, hindi pa siya align. Pero okay na siguro. Kaya tungod niya draw. So okay. Butang ko na siguro. Kung screw yung butang screw ng isa. Okay, and then screw. I need a magnet. I need a magnet on it to make it shorter. Ano lang, okay na siguro. Nakakuha ka naman ano, diba? Video. Yung isa. Kaya ano ko nakalimugin, post ko gina. Muna nga daw nag-ano siya, naglisa lang. Hindi ma-align mo. Saan lang? Isa, o babaw na. Babaw. I think it's all fine now. And then last on the antenna. Okay. This and then this. So after that, yung mga screw. There we go. I'll try to hindi connection missing. I hope. Let's find out. Let's find out. The key on. Wow. Working. Ooh, gotcha. Oh yes. So I didn't put the antenna yet. So actually it's working now.
2:30 on the southbound side, and it's queuing on the northbound side as well. To M1 12 and 11 down to Dunstable is clear, but still queuing. M25 on the anti-clockwise at 17 for Maple Cross. We had a vehicle on fire.
So that's if your
anti-clockwise, and King's clear.
Yeah, if your stereo is dead, so that's the way you fix. Try everything, all the fuse on the driver panel, fuse at the back of the head unit, and then if still all alright, the fuses, so try to remove the head unit and then open and then find the fuse in a power supply. So it's all done. Okay, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more repairs and then videos, and then you can ask so I can thanks for watching. Bye.